Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have to hold my hand over this address label. This is the Wagorific dog diapers. Disposable diapers for dogs. So this is what's inside of it here. And here's the sizing and stuff if you need to look at it. But let's see. We're going to take out one of these here and try it on my dog if I can get my dog to come over. Let's see, does it have instructions on how to put it on? Kind of, sort of. Okay, Penny, come here. Come here, Penny. Come here. Good girl, good girl. Oh, this is my crazy dog. Okay. So let's see how we do this here. So it's got a place for a tail. And then that goes up and that goes around and down and whatever. Okay, give me the tail. You're gonna love this. Okay. Oh, let's see. Give me guys down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we put the tail through there. Probably not the easiest thing to do with the dog sitting in your lap, but whatever. And just like a regular baby diaper, gonna go around like that. And you gotta get your foot through here. And this side here. Let's go with the head on that one. It's pretty easy actually. And there, now look. Now my dog has a diaper. How cute. Okay, here you go, baby. Go play. And so she didn't even seem to mind it. She just wants to play. Whee! So seems good to me. So if you need some diapers, get some Wagorifics. Thumbs up.